Well, hello everybody, it's John Neal here, and it's Friday the 5th of April. And today I think I've got the date right. Sorry about that last time. I was only one out. It's close enough. What's the matter with you? Anyway, today I'm just going to go and have another look at the pipe works of the sewer line that they're going from Hinckley to Hartshill. Okay, come on, let's go. I'm going to have a look at the works around Top Farm, because the fellas are here working and they've done a lot. Look at this, they've raised a load of soil, moved a lot of earth there. But I'm taking my chances here because look at the sky. It's sunny on and off, but there's some black clouds around as well. So wish me luck.
The site of Top Farm itself is just off screen on the left. So all this work is being done in the fields that were just farmland. They've built a complete tarmac road to get access to this, and all they seem to be doing is just moving a lot of earth. But it's interesting to see what colour it is, this sort of rich, dark, red, clayey sort of colour. And as you sweep round towards Higham Lane, you can see the extent of the work. And it looks like there's a patch of woodland there, look, which is being preserved, which is a good thing.
And in all honesty, if anybody's thinking about how I fly the drone in these conditions, I don't. I'm going to fly the drone and just stick the clips in as and when. I'll fly it later tonight when hopefully the wind's dropped, because it's a bit blowy at the moment. Too blowy for me in the drone. Right, let's press on up to the A5, and because they're actually tunnelling under the A5 Higham Lane junction, almost as we speak.
So here we are still heading north, and it's the A5, and that's Leicestershire over there. But you can see there's excavation work going on. So let's just move forward and then flip round back and have a look at the work they're doing. They are excavating this circular hole in the ground so they can access the tunnelling point where they will go from this position straight underneath the roundabout and out the other end. You can see there's a lot of water in the field nearby, so I presume one of the problems is to keep that water out as they dig this pit. Well done, chaps. Before we move on, let's just follow the trail of where this tunnel is going to go, right across here, and on the far side, which is now back in Warwickshire, you can see the other pit, the hole in the ground, where the tunnel will emerge and then feed these concrete pipes going all the way down to Hartshill sewage works. I'm now making my way further along the A5, which is nice and safe because this is pathway and cycleway. And I'm going to visit the part where the pipeline goes underneath the Weddington Walkway. So sit back and enjoy the ride.
think that's a great tip behind us, making that noise. Oh, well, it doesn't look like it's going to rain, but you can see it's very wet over in the fields here. And you'll notice continuity changes. I've taken my top off because I'm not on the main road anymore. And I've taken my gloves off because it interferes with my Apple Watch, which operates the iPhone camera, which I'm using, because if I nudge the wheel on here, control wheel, look, it sends the zoom backwards and forwards, so I'm leaving it free. Well, look at this tree, it's amazing. Oh dear, I don't know what's going on. I mean, this is growing over there and then it's all onto here. It's nuts. I love it. Right, I've got to keep going. Heading down now to the place where the shush you. I'm going down to where the pipeline goes underneath this walkway, where they've had to tunnel underneath as well. Apparently, they were looking for a name for the pipe tunneler. Not sure if they got one yet.
Well, here's a little bit of a sad sight. This marker is an artifact, really, of the old railway, and somebody has gone and broken it. Just to show how wet it is, the fields to the right here, to the west, are flooded, and on the left to the east, a lot of water around. Hold on to your seats, ladies and gentlemen, we're going up. This is looking back towards the Higham Lane direction, and considerable excavations happening. And on the right, just in the bottom corner, you can see here is the hole they've dug, a square hole here as it happens, and you can see the concrete pipes at the bottom with a bit of an angle in the direction too, because they're going to go underneath the Weddington walkway at a complete right angle, it seems. Now this is in the direction of the Weddington Road, and just look at the colour of the earth, this sort of dark terracotta colour. And there's a lot of water still around as well. So as we come back, this is still the Weddington Road side of the Weddington Walk. And you can see the digger here still working away, shifting the earth around this rectangular hole that they are using to access this far side of the tunnel. They've got a lot of bags of, looks like gravel, holding something down. Maybe it's just holding those pipes in place. Somebody can tell me, I'm sure. Here I am struggling up the path in the wrong gear, with that I am. Then with the battery on full power again and the lowest gear. Easy then. It's always good fun to video splashing through puddles. So please excuse me while I enjoy myself. This is one of the water retention pools that have been built to accommodate the new houses. Finally, emerging by St James's Church, Weddington. That was flooded in the last few videos you may have seen.
Well, that's it, folks. That'll do me for now. It's interesting to see how the pipeline's getting on. It's very interesting, and a bit more of springtime for you. And this time, I hope I've got the date right as well. Okay, thanks for watching. Oh, and do subscribe if you feel so inclined. It'll do you good. And yeah, you'll see me next time. Okay, bye-bye. Country file.